Today's episode is Johnny pulls the fire alarm / grounded / whooped. Enjoy the video.
Okay, class, I'm going to give you report cards right now. Johnny, you got a big fat F. What the fuck? Why do I got an F? Remember the time when you cheat on the test? No. I knew it. So, don't do it again. Ugh, whatever. Oh, it looks like it's time. So, this? Yeah, Johnny? Can I go to the bathroom? I really need to pee. Nope. Remember the time when you pulled the fire alarm? I need to pee. Please? Fine, but do not pull the fire alarm, okay? Okay. Yes, now we can pull the fire alarm. Now, where could it be?
After Johnny found the fire alarm.
Found it. Now let's pull it. I need to wear a green screen cloth so nobody can see me. Let's go to the janitor's room.
After Johnny went to the janitor's room and got the green screen cloth.
Now I'm inside the cloth. Let's pull it. Class, let me check the lobby.
Okay.
Now, what's supposed to be the problem? Good thing I have a special fingerprinting kit here. Now, let's put it. Stop! This fingerprint belongs to... I knew it! It was Johnny! It was him! Let's call his dad. Oh, hi, Miss Natasha. What's the problem? We will talk about Johnny. Let me guess. He failed his test? More like that, but he accidentally pulled a fire alarm. What do you mean? This fingerprint belongs to your 15-year-old son. Wait. It actually is! Thanks for letting me know. My son is going to get the ozone layer burn layer. Thanks for letting me know. Bye.
After Johnny went home.
Dad, I behave at school. Johnny, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You could have sent us to jail. Your teacher told me that your fingerprint is left unhandled. Now go to your room and you'll get the worst whooping ever! You should have never known. You can just shut up! Shut up! Shut up! It hurts! Shut up! Shut up! It hurts! Shut up! Shut up! How dare you pull the freaking fire alarm! You could have sent us in jail! Ah, that hurts! Stop that! Stop! You're grounded for additional 1 million trillion gazillion years! It's not even a real number, Dad! Shut up! Ah! Oh, you want like that? Ah! Shut up!